is the core area of CFMG, New Intelligent Manufacturing Factory. The industry, with a total investment of 1 billion yuan and an area of 300 acres, is refining the industry standard of area equipment. From cutting-edge technology to customer value, CFMG Super Factory is providing the optimal solution for aerial work in 50 more countries around the world. From beginnings to craftsmanship, 20 years of non-stop step. Every frame is the mark of breakthrough. Every journey has the acre of innovation. With trust as bond and win-to-win as the base color, behind every smiling face is a growth story written by us together with our customers. With intelligence, we envision the future. CFMG Group, beyond imagination, will never stop.